This video presents several Arabic words and their English meanings, transliterated into English for easy use in your posts or reels. The first word is iman, written in Arabic as iman, which means faith. Next, we have ilm, or ilm, meaning knowledge, and rahma, or rahma, meaning mercy. Number 4 is baraka, or baraka, which translates to blessing. Number 5 is sabr, or sabr, meaning patience. 6th, we have shukr, or shukr, meaning gratitude. 7th, naja, or najah, which means success. 8th is qalb, or qalb, meaning heart. The 9th word is hikmah, or hikmah, meaning wisdom. Finally, number 10 is sa'ada, or sa'ada, which means happiness. Here is a quick look at all the words. Iman is faith, ilm is knowledge, rahma is mercy, baraka is blessing, sabr is patience, shukr is gratitude, naja is success, qalb is heart, hikmah is wisdom, and sa'ada is happiness.